This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rami Salem. Centrally located in Palm Grove with new roof installed in 2022 roof, HVAC in 2023 and painted all inside January 2025. You will fall in love with the layout, the space and the beautiful wide-screen porch in the backyard. This home has the perfect location with easy access to Santa Fe College, University of Florida, Shands Hospital, I-75, restaurants and shopping. When you walk in, you will see how open and spacious the living room is with a well-maintained wood laminate flooring throughout the main living areas and into the dining and kitchen. This home features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, main floor master suite, dining room and living room combo, indoor laundry room, and a 1-car garage. You can enjoy a nice private backyard. Cool off at the community pool and clubhouse. Call today to schedule your showing. For more